Sent an Instagram message by mistake? Typed something you instantly regret? Don't panic. You can remove it completely from the chat. Today, I'll show you exactly how to unsend Instagram messages the right way. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where we break down social media tips in the smartest and simplest way possible. How to delete, unsend messages on Instagram. Step 1. Open Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. This method works on both iPhone and Android devices. Keep the app updated for the latest features and layout. Step 2. Tap the message icon. In the top right corner of your home screen, tap the message icon. This will open your direct messages inbox. Here you'll see all your recent conversations. Now choose the chat where you want to delete a message. Step 3. Open the specific chat. Select the conversation that contains the message. Scroll through the chat carefully. Locate the exact message you want to remove. Make sure you're choosing the correct one before proceeding. Step 4. Long press the message. Press and hold the message you want to delete. A menu will instantly pop up on your screen. This menu gives you different message control options. Look for the option labeled Unsend. If this tip saved you from an awkward situation, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. We share smart, practical social media tricks every week that actually make your digital life easier. Step 5. Tap on Unsend. Tap the Unsend option once. Instagram will ask for confirmation. This step ensures you don't remove something accidentally. Now tap Unsend again to confirm. Step 6. Message removed. Boom, your message is gone. It will disappear from both sides of the conversation. The other person won't be able to read it anymore. However, remember, if they already saw it, you can't undo that. Deleting a message on Instagram is simple, but knowing how and when to use it is what makes you a smart user. Small features like this give you more control, more confidence, and better communication online. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe to Preyo Phonie, and comment below what Instagram feature you want next. This is Preyo Phonie, helping you master social media the professional way. See you in the next one.